Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add payments methods in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, the first step is open the payment settings, and to do that you will need to log into WordPress dashboard and then just go over into or on the WooCommerce on the left hand menu, and then a pop-up window or a pop-up menu will be shown as you can see. So all you need to do is to go and click on the settings right here. Right, so we are being forwarded into the settings page. So then I just want you to go and click on the payment section on the top of the site. So just click it, and here you will see the list of available payments methods. So as you can see, Visa, MasterCard, the WooCommerce Pay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay, Affirm, Klarna, etc. There are more options, plus 11 as you can see. So you will need just go and click on complete setup just right here, and after that you will need to choose a payments method. So for example we'll go with the credit debit card, and we'll link another payments method. So for example we'll go with the Google Pay and Apple Pay, then just click on continue. Okay, so then we are on the activate payment step. So we will need just to click on start accepting payments, and then choose your state or your country, and after that just go and select an option, what type of legal entity is your business. For example we'll go with company, and after that you will need to choose the category of the company. We'll go with private, partnership, so software, and then just go with continue. Okay, so right now we will need to go and click on add information. Okay, so click that option and you will be forwarded into the Stripe plugin. So you will need to put here your email address, and then you will be forwarded into the page where you can enter your card credentials and your Stripe or PayPal or even the Apple Pay and Google Pay infos and credentials right there to activate the payments, and then just submit for verification, and there you go. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.